In front of me is POCO X6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. And by opening settings and scrolling down to access apps. Then click on app lock at the bottom, hit turn on, and create your pattern that you will use to lock your apps. Then repeat it. And when you finished, hit next at the bottom right corner. Now you can sign in to your Me account or click on Not Now. Wait 5 seconds and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to lock all of those apps, just click on Use App Lock right away. If you don't, you need to tap on all of them. Check for 0 over here and click on Use App Lock then. To use your fingerprint to unlock apps, hit Settings and tap on the switcher next to Fingerprint. If you don't, select Cancel. Finally, to lock your apps, just click on gray switchers next to the chosen ones. Then go back. So now when I try to open my app, I can see that pattern is required. If you want to unlock this app, go into the same settings, enter your app lock and click on the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!